Day one, what's up guys, it's Cape. I'm going to teach you how to trade meme coins and I'm going to show you trade recaps of my trades in this bootcamp where you will basically learn how to know when a meme coin is going to run, how to know what meme coins are going to send, and how to generally just trade memes on Solana, especially on Solana. And let's jump right into it. So in this series, I'm not going to explain to you how to use Deck Screener. If you want to learn that, you can watch my other videos. I'm not going to explain to you how to use GMGN. GMGN is basically the best platform to identify those coins early. Deck Screener is also good. You should have it on your phone. Both you can find in the bio in the description. So in this video, in the video number one here, I'm basically going to explain to you how I traded this coin, and I'm going to share with you how I knew that this coin would run and do extremely well. So I was basically sitting on Deck Screener on my phone. I was outside and I saw that the Anthem coin, the Black Bull, was running like crazy. At the time, this coin was like, I would say it's 70, 80 mil. And I knew that it was running like crazy, and it's called the Black Bull. So what I did was I went into Deck Screener and I typed in the White Bull because I wanted to jump on the derivative early and make good money, right? This is a basic strategy. You have a runner and you want to buy the first good derivative, right? Because if the Black Bull goes to 100 million, 200 million, then why shouldn't the White Bull go to like 1 million and you make good money on it, you know? So I did this and I was on GMGN and I saw the White Bull launch. Here you can see it, the White Bull, which was called Gockstein. I don't know this guy, I didn't know this guy. So what I did is I clicked here on GMGN on this and I checked out his Twitter profile. And here you can see basically on the date, it was like June 28 was when this trade happened. One day earlier, he shared his Pump Fund wallet, telling his people to send him coins. And then he was basically just posting stuff like this, hinting at a coin, but he wasn't endorsing this coin yet. He was just like posting here, hinting at something, let's make history, blah, blah, blah. And I saw this coin at like 70, 80K here on GMGN. I looked at the Twitter, I saw he was posting, I saw he teasered a Pump Fund coin. I knew the Black Bull was at like 140M. So I bought a very good amount of this coin at around like 80, 90, 100K. Then I shared it to my members in the rabbit hole. That's my Telegram group. You can join it in the link in the bio. I shared it and yeah, he kept on posting. Anthem kept on going up, which I knew kind of would happen because Anthem was also just posting. Anthem is like a big guy on Twitter, crypto Twitter. And yeah, then I bought it here at around 100K. I also knew what I'm also looking at on these coins is time frame, okay? So I knew that this coin would do well because of the time zone. Because I'm personally in the Dubai time zone. And at the time, if we check back, it was like 12 a.m. Dubai time zone, which is like in the middle of the night in the US. So all of America was asleep, and this guy is a big figure in America. So I knew that once America would wake up, this coin would kind of send. So what happened? The coin sent from my entry around 80K to 970K at the peak. Let's say here 900K, a clean 10x. This was a clean 10x. I did not make a clean 10x because I exited slowly through like DCA, like small sell orders here. I would say my rough exit was like 600K, which is still like a 6x. And this was a very, very solid trade. And yeah, it was basically a bit of a complex understanding, but once you get it, you just get it, right? Because I knew the Black Bull was running, so I was looking for the White Bull. This was the first coin that would pop up, and the guy was posting about it. The guy has a big following. Let's see, he has 800K followers, I knew it would run. The US was asleep. So that was kind of my psychology behind this trade. And I hope from learning this, you can get better trading and get a better understanding. And I'm going to make more episodes about this. Let me know what you think about this format. Leave a like, subscribe. Also follow me on Twitter because that's where I'm most active. And see you guys in the next video.